stew peas, woman tie them.
Stew peas, I get tied.
What you say?
We don't want a stew peas to eat. Stew peas tie, man.
Now, so I just feel some people always say when woman cook it, give man regular, can't tie them. Yeah. But if your mother cook it, give me, I don't know if it tie you. But them say when woman cook it, man have to eat it for woman. But woman, man always man eat it for woman.
Most man say woman tie them with stew peas. Red stew peas. That's what the old folks say.
Them certain time cook stew peas, they want to tie the boy, they just put the something in it. They don't know, you don't know what it name already.
Stew peas is a good thing, man. No? Good. And stew peas nice, you know? I like it.
Man can eat stew peas someone, but it was not the season at the time, you understand? No problem with eating stew peas without from a woman, yeah.
Some people say, man, the woman tie you. And some man still want to eat them stew peas because they love them stew peas, yeah.
We don't know Jamaican man talk about tying a stew peas. But regardless of what, from a man, you must know when your woman sick, from when she not sick.
We say when you wash your face with the rice water, you see dopey.
Them say when you wash your face, you see dopey, you see spirit.
With rice water, you can see spirit. That's what the old folks told us.
Oh, they say you see a lot of dopey. When you wash the rice water on your face.
I'm not telling nobody to do this still, you know. You see me, but you see when you wash your face with the rice water, trust me, you're going to see a bag of things. You're not going to see the normal something when you normally see. You see me? You're going to see something out of a horror film. Trust me.
From me small, me them say when you wash your face with rice water, treat you say dopey. I mean, I never chew it go, so it go or a true or a lie or a phrase or a false. But me never try it yet because I don't want to see them.
I'm saying you see dopey when you wash your face when you see the rice water.
Then say anytime you're pregnant or you want certain food and you don't get it, the baby will born with the mom.
Oh, you know when you're pregnant, you feel for a whole heap of different things. More you see something pass, you want it, mango. And if you don't get it, you mark. And you scratch all, you say, you know, look at something come there, you know, a mark, you mark. You don't know.
We normally get a mark. Like, you know, like if you're feeling for something, like if you want pork and you don't get it at the same time and you scratch, they say you normally get a mark.
Them say the baby mark for the exact food where them can't get to eat at the time.